In this video, you'll learn how to buy on eBay using a credit card. This guide will take you through the entire process from signing in to confirming your purchase. Start by logging into your eBay account, either through the website or the mobile application. Once you are signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the page, enter the name of the product you wish to purchase and press enter. This action displays a list of relevant listings for you to browse through. As you review the listings, pay attention to various factors such as prices, shipping details, and seller ratings. It is important to read the product description thoroughly, as this information provides insight into the item's condition and delivery specifics. Once you find the right product, click on the listing to open its detailed page. Next, look for the Buy It Now button located near the item's price. If you prefer, you can also add the item to your shopping cart for later purchase. After selecting your preferred option, proceed to the checkout process. During checkout, select the credit card option as your payment method. This action will prompt you to enter your credit card details in the payment form. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code as required. It is crucial that the billing information you provide matches the details associated with your credit card. Take a moment to double-check all the entered information to avoid any potential payment errors during processing. Once you have confirmed that your credit card details are accurate, review the order summary displayed on the screen. This summary includes the shipping address, item information, and the total payment amount. If everything appears correct, proceed to confirm the purchase. Following this confirmation, eBay will process your payment through your credit card provider. After a successful transaction, you will receive an order confirmation via email, and the seller will prepare your item for shipping. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.